How are you feeling?
Good.
Good? Yeah.
Mummy, I forgot tape in my husband.
Don't talk about it now because he can't have it now, can he? Who did a big sick in the night?
No.
Me. In the mega bed.
Yeah. We can't say like that.
Mummy's cleaned it. Mummy's going to wash it all. Should we go downstairs? Yeah, Mummy's going to wash it all. Don't worry.
Mummy watched it now.
Or we go downstairs. Mummy's going to wash it. Yeah. Okay? Should we go downstairs now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, okay.
We must do one jump.
No, we do not jump on that after we've just eaten a biscuit in bed, thank you. Under no circumstances are we doing jumping or roly-polies this morning.
Jump.
No jumps, no roly-polies, because you puked. Okay?
Why?
Because it might make you puke again. Okay?
I know.
Little man. He's I look like shit for anyone that's leaving. He's got a high temperature. He touched wood. Willy warmer. Willy warmer's made of wood. Touch wood hasn't been sick anymore. But he fell asleep. I convinced him to have a sleep because he looked knackered because he was like, after he puked last night, he was awake for like 3 hours just chatting shit at me, happier than anything. But just like, can Rocky walk on the moon? Can we make an ice cream? Can we make a slushie in the morning? If we get these ingredients, and I was just like, mate, come on, let's go to sleep. So he's had a sleep, but now he's hot. The size of my fucking lips. While he's been napping, I've just been round like trying to get the house clean, and I've just done the bedding. And that needs to go back on my bed. That's the one he puked on. Found it. It looks terrified for some reason. Maybe he looks scared. Oh, someone's ringing me. He's moved a little bit. That was the council ringing me back just to advise on like free school meals and funding and stuff for nursery. This honestly just doesn't feel real at the moment. I've asked Ben to get Ari from school because I don't really want to take Fox out because it's really cold here today. It was like 0 degrees when we got out in the car, and he's got like a high temperature and he's a bit shivery, and because he's been sick I don't want to take him out again, so he is going to collect her and then bring her back here for me so I don't have to take him out. But yeah, I've just been cleaning and I've got a few bits on there to put away. I've got to hang my washing up here. I've got to somehow wash a giant turtle that got sick on it and a pillow. I don't even know. I'm just going to scrub them on the sides. I think I'm not going to put them in the washing machine because I feel like they will never ever dry ever. And the cat's in my clean washing. It's not a bed for you, sir. Not a bed for you. Little fishy's home. Having some dinner. And Foxy's in here and he doesn't want to eat. He's been to the doctor's and he's got swollen glands and a sore throat. And he's cold, but he's actually very hot. So I think that's probably it for today.